Opened in 1941, the historic El Cortez is one of the oldest continuously operating hotels in Las Vegas. This property is located in the eclectic Fremont East District and for a short time was owned and operated by the notorious gangster Benjamin Bugsy Siegel. Hi there, I'm Vegas Nolaman. Thank you for joining me for this very special walkthrough. This property, which is best known for its rich history, classic architecture, and vintage Las Vegas vibe, recently received a $20 million expansion and upgrade. If playing loose slots and low table limits while listening to Rat Pack music sounds appealing, this is the place for you. The El Cortez is an age-restrictive, 21 and over, adults-only property. And here is the race and sportsbook at the El Cortez. This sportsbook is powered by Station Casino, so if you download the STN Sports mobile app to your phone, you'll be able to wager on your phone and cash your bets at the El Cortez. Here is where you sign up for the Club Cortez Players Card. If you do so, you will receive free play and get generous cash back, personal comp dollars, and earn credits for free rooms and meals. At the southwest entrance, there is a new Starbucks. Right across from hotel registration is the beautiful lobby bar. Located on the center of the casino floor is Seagulls 1941. Seagulls is open 24/7 and offers an extensive menu filled with modern twists on classic American standards. Inside Seagulls, the decor is very old school, classy, and filled with historic photographs and memorabilia. Every Wednesday from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m., Seagulls offers guests over 50 years old a 50% discount on their order off of a special menu. And when you're there, be sure to inquire about the off-menu prime rib special. It offers generous portions at an affordable price. Okay, go past Seagulls and around past the old school slot area and you'll come to a red hallway. This is the history hallway at the El Cortez. This hallway is filled with fabulous photographs of Las Vegas legends and icons. Here is a picture of Jackie Gahn. He owned and operated the El Cortez after Bugsy Siegel did, and he actually resided in a special suite inside the El Cortez Hotel until his passing in 2014. As we exit the red hallway, we are now entering the newly expanded area at the El Cortez. This expansion added nearly 10,000 square feet to the property's footprint. Let's take a look at what $20 million can buy you these days. Here's the new restaurant Hot Nods, offering sizzling noodles and bomb drinks. Hot Nods is a vibrant new family-owned restaurant bringing authentic Asian flavors to downtown Las Vegas at the El Cortez. The renovation also includes a new high-limit room, additional slot machines, and the elegant new show bar. The show bar is equipped with a 20-foot video screen for sports and music videos and a stage wired for live entertainment. Also new at the El Cortez is the roulette bar, a center bar designed to look like a roulette wheel. Here you can enjoy a delicious cocktail, soak up the energy of the casino floor, and maybe even try your hand at the game that inspired it all. And just so you know, the El Cortez still has coin-spitting slots. Another blast from the past. I'm really pleased with the results of this expansion. They've added a touch of modern luxury while maintaining the vintage charm of the El Cortez. Thank you for watching. You can show support for this content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more Las Vegas content. Hit the center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.